Hello, this is the Microsoft PowerPoint Beyond the Classroom Chapter 1 assignment. And for this one, we had to work with a presentation that was not in good shape. There was a lot of formatting issues. It was not really neat or presented very clearly. So most of this involved a lot of editing and rephrasing items, rearranging images just for clarity, and playing with the designs, adding a new theme, and adding other formatting elements to make it ultimately more visually appealing. And then in the end, we made a slideshow, which I can just play for you a little bit. I'll also be submitting the slideshow formatted file. And so this was playing with the various transition options that are available within the program, and just having fun with that. And then for each of the elements, I would rephrase some things, rewrite them for clarity, and try to increase some contrast between the fonts and some of the decorative elements so that it would be more visually appealing, more visually engaging. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty straightforward in that case. Also made a handout for it as well, using the header and footer formatting options and the dates that the presentation was created. And in addition to that, also saved the file in the PPSX slideshow format as well. I'll be submitting all of those. You receive all of those as well. And that is that in a nutshell.